Welcome to a new episode of Depreciation Nation, and we are very excited to once again be back at the Detail Garage in Buford, Georgia. Now, if you've been following the channel, you saw that we were here for their grand opening back in November. And in that video, we met Christian, who referenced the fact that the Detail Garage is kind of the Apple store of the detailing world, meaning not only do they sell the products, but they provide the education for how to use the products. They honestly have some of the best products that we have used because we have been using them exclusively since we have been here. Now, Monica, one of the owners of the store, they set up a tent at Caffeine and Octane on a monthly basis. And of course, because we are friends, we always stop, talk for a little bit, catch up, and just a little bit of how is everybody. And so a few months back, Monica actually invited us to come and attend one of those workshop classes. And so that is what we are here to do today. We are here to take their paint polishing class. We are going to learn how to remove the minor imperfections in our paint of our depreciated vehicles, and then we in turn are going to show you all the results. Now, while we are here, we are going to go ahead and film the class so that you all get an idea of what it is about, but just know that you don't need to be in Buford, Georgia to take one of these classes. You can actually be in any one of the Detail Garage locations across the country, and there are several. You can go enter your zip code on their website to find your local store. And folks, if you haven't been to a Detail Garage, but you have used Chemical Guys products, you already know that they are very, very good. But what you get at the Detail Garage that you don't get at some of the other suppliers of their items is education. And I promise you, from Christian's tour of the store back in November to addressing exactly which products would benefit us in our situation, we could not be happier with the product line that we have purchased. So check out a Detail Garage if you've not been before. It is truly a mesmerizing store if you love cleaning cars, kind of a Disneyland for car people. So we're going to get right into it, and we're going to show you the process. Now, it is worth noting that Dareth, whom we all very much love, could not be here due to a scheduling conflict today. So we actually have my brother Brad, whom you're going to see here in a minute, who is behind the camera right now. And then we have Tony, who is another member of the Shift Atlanta project, which we have referenced a number of times on our channel because it is just a great automotive resource for the community. If you haven't checked them out yet, I'm going to put a link in the description below this video. Make sure that you check them out. So that is how to polish paint in a nutshell. Obviously, if you're watching our channel, you might have a project like this in mind. We certainly want to thank Monica. We want to thank Detail Garage of Buford for having us here to participate in the class.
It was fun.
It was great.
It was fun.
And I suggest that if you want to learn the same skills and you don't live near Buford, Georgia, that perhaps you find a detail garage near you. These classes are everywhere, right?
Yes, absolutely, yes. And we have another location in Alpharetta.
Awesome. So if you're near Alpharetta, give that location a check out as well. Remember to comment, like, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button at the bottom of that screen so that you don't miss more awesome content like this. And we'll talk to you soon.